Hey friends, stimulus checks are in the mail as we speak and funds are being deposited in people's bank accounts. The question in this video is, are non-citizens expected to get a stimulus check? And if they were to get a check, should they send it back because of public charge? Those are the questions that I'm going to tackle in this video. Stay tuned. Friends, thanks for watching this video. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey. I'm an immigration lawyer and also the founder of Smart Immigration Academy. Thanks so much for being with me today and for watching these videos. I'm covering a lot of updates related to the coronavirus because I know that you guys need timely information. And so thanks so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet to McBean Immigration TV, go ahead and do so right now and hit the notification bell, and then jump over to Instagram and follow me on McBean Immigration Law, and also on Facebook, Smart Immigration Academy page. All right, so let's get into it. Stimulus checks people are receiving stimulus checks, friends. Some of my clients have called me and let me know that they have received a stimulus check, and some of them are a little confused about what to do with it, whether they should return it because they're still going through the immigration process and they're concerned, specifically concerned about public charge. So we're going to tackle that question towards the end of the video, so stay tuned all the way to the end. So the question is, will non-citizens receive a stimulus check like other people? And the short answer is yes. Actually, the answer is yes and no. So let me tackle yes first. Yes, if they have a valid Social Security number that was issued by our government and they file their taxes using that Social Security number. And they obtained the Social Security number, obviously, because they were authorized to work in the United States. They may either have a green card, which authorized them to work here in the U.S., obviously, or they may have the employment authorization document, the EAD, or the work permit. And along with the work permit comes a Social Security card, and they're able to use both to work lawfully. And if they did so and they paid taxes in that Social Security number, using that Social Security number, they are eligible for a stimulus check. Now, who is not eligible? So this is the no part of my answer, right? Folks who use the ITIN number, right? The individual taxpayer identification number. If you filed your taxes using the ITIN, you're not going to get a stimulus check. And this is really, really, really unfair, right? Because you paid taxes, you paid into the system, but now the government has turned around and said, no, we're not giving you the stimulus check, which really sucks. But so the answer is no for those who use the ITIN number to file their taxes. Here's the other part that's really bad about the stimulus check issue. This is for those who are married. If you're married and your spouse has a valid Social Security number, right, because maybe he's a U.S. citizen or a green card holder or authorized to work, and he has a valid Social Security number and you don't, right, and you file your taxes together, then you're not eligible. You're not going to receive a stimulus check either. So that's another situation that will impact a large number of people who have filed jointly with their spouse, and you don't have your own valid Social Security number. So that's the policy. So just to summarize before I jump into the next part of this, some non-citizens are eligible to receive a stimulus check, specifically those who have a valid Social Security number and they are authorized to work in the U.S. and they've been working and paying their taxes. They will receive a stimulus check. Those others who have been working and paying their taxes, but they file using the ITIN number, the taxpayer individual number, they will not receive a stimulus check. And then thirdly, if you're married to someone and you jointly filed with that individual and that individual does not have a valid Social Security number, you're also not going to receive a stimulus check. So that's the issue there. Now, what if you do receive a stimulus check because, again, you were authorized to work and you have a Social Security number? If you receive it, don't worry about it. for public charge purposes. It has no impact on public charge at all, because this is a tax credit that you're receiving here. You've paid your taxes, and you did the right thing. So the government is giving you this tax credit, and it's not a public benefit as we would understand it under public charge. So for public charge purposes, it does not apply. So if you receive your stimulus check, keep your money. It's your money. Keep your money, and don't worry about how it's going to impact you for public charge purposes. Friends, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Share it with other people, and I'll see you in the next one.